everybody, this is going to be a hair review video. This is SuperNova hair from Amazon, and they sent me some new hairs to review for you guys, and I definitely want to talk about it because this honey, and especially when I didn't even bleach the knots yet and it still looks, what, hello, super natural for one. And then another thing is this hair is so soft. So jumping right into it, I wanted to show you guys, actually no, before I even start, I want you guys to guess how many bundles this is. So take a good look at it, and I want you to tell me how many bundles you guys think this is in my hair, and then I will tell you guys exactly what I got in a couple of minutes. I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and comment how many bundles you think this is. So this is a frontal. This is a 13x4 frontal. This is Brazilian straight hair, and I want you guys to see because I did pluck this frontal a little bit after I constructed it, and I did not glue this down because I still need to customize. I still want to pluck it some more, and I still need to customize my frontal because it comes past my ears. I have a really small head. It still comes past my ears, and I want to customize it where it looks like, you know, it's around my ear and everything like that before I start to glue this down and actually put a strap in as well. And I just want you guys to see that I did start plucking the frontal. This frontal does not come pre-plucked, so it is on the thick side, but the hair quality is amazing. So I haven't had any shedding and no tangling. And I have to say, it's really hard to find like an Amazon store or Aliexpress store who sells hair that does not shed. This hair has not shed at all. It came to me straight. I have not done anything to this hair besides wet it and just, you know, manipulate my frontal a little bit so it can lay how I want it to lay, like, you know, in the middle and whatnot. And then that was it. Literally no shedding. This is, so what I got was, I got the Brazilian straight. This is 2 18s, a 16, and then a 16-inch frontal. But in this unit, honey, to make it look super natural and still look like I have hair on my head, this is only a frontal, one bundle, and one and a half of another bundle. So I got one bundle and a half. So there's a bundle and a half of hair behind this frontal, and it looks extremely natural, which is what I was going for. Because if I want to wear, again, my head is small, so if I want to do lace frontal wigs and actually have them look natural, like they're actually my hair, then I kind of need for my frontals to be a little bit more on the thin side than just jamming a bunch of bundles, you know, in the unit. It will not look natural on me. My head is too small, for one, like I said. And again, I just like for my wigs to look a little more natural if I'm going to wear them every day. Now, it's nothing wrong with having a lot of hair, but it's just not for me. So again, I'm super impressed that I was only able, not able, because I could have got another bundle up in here, but I didn't. I'm super amazed by the fact that this is only 1.5 bundles. Like, yes, this is definitely something I could rock every day and still feel comfortable wearing it. Like, sometimes when I wear lace frontals, I feel very wiggy, but this I actually feel really natural, and I feel pretty. The hair is super soft. The hair is thick from root to tip. I have a bundle right here that I did not use, and I want you guys to see exactly what I mean when I say that this hair is thick from root to tip. Like, it is such good quality. So look at it, from root to tip, it's gorgeous. It's super soft. I was debating about coloring this hair, like dyeing it or ombreing it, and I don't know, I'm kind of feeling the dark hair right now for the winter time. And then again, this is something I could actually get away with on a regular basis, where it could actually be my hair and I can do whatever I want to it. So to demonstrate to you guys that I am definitely not lying, here's the rest of the half of the bundle that I did not put in my hair for the second bundle. So I have one bundle and then half of this bundle, and then I have a whole bundle left over. And it still looks extremely natural and carefree, and I can just get up and go. I did not even have to style this hair. Again, let me repeat, because I am literally not joking. I did not have to style this hair. I did not have to flat iron it. I did not have to blow dry it. This is the regular hair texture. I even braided the frontal as I was doing my unit, and still the hair is still straight, still silky. I literally do not have to do anything to this hair. Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. I cannot stress that enough. Like, even my husband was like, that wig looks better than that wig. I'm like, how the hell you know about wigs? So yeah, so if my husband approves of a wig, then I know this is good hair. Not even just good hair. I know that the look and everything that I'm giving is natural, because he's a very, very natural type of guy. He doesn't like a lot of makeup. He doesn't like a lot of hair. So if I got the thumbs up from him, then yeah. But I'm super, super impressed. I love it. And I don't really think that I can explain to you guys how amazed I am that this is only 1.5 bundles with my frontal. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think. If you guys have ordered from SuperNova before, this is like my third review for them, and I have not been let down yet. Again, I have not glued down my frontal because I still want to go back in and pre-pluck some, not pre-pluck, and pluck some more, and I still want to customize my sides. But for the most part, because I have a band in already, this lays to my head super, super tight. And the only thing I would have to worry about really is just my sides, because again, I have to customize my sides, and I probably need another band, a different type of band in this wig to give me a more secure fit, so I don't have to glue it down. And that's what I'm kind of going for. I'm kind of making wigs now where I don't have to glue them down, where I can just put, you know, sew in a strap and just it lay flat like it is on the top. Like, it's literally laying flat. And again, I have not bleached the knots, and I'm not going to. I think what I'm going to do is just do the foundation and powder method, so that way I'm good to go. I can just throw this baby on and go. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video.